Alright guys, the first thing is the tools. You're going to want a putty knife, spray adhesive, and a piece of cardboard. Let's get started. The first step is we're going to use our cardboard. That way we don't get any of that spray adhesive all over our glass. Less cleanup is always better. You can wedge it right up in there like that and it'll just stay for you. With your spray adhesive, you want to shake it real well. If you can keep it inside, that's where you need to keep it. You don't want it to get over 100 degrees. Actually 120, it says on the can, it could explode. So definitely keep it inside. It'll last longer and it'll work a lot better. So first thing I'm gonna do is pull it back, and I'm gonna just give it a little spray. As you can see, it goes on just like glue. Just like that. Move this over a little bit now. There we go. There we go. Get back there a little bit. You're supposed to let this sit for about a minute to get tacky, but it is about 95 degrees today, so I don't think it's gonna have any time or any problem, should I say, setting up. Next, we're gonna use the putty knife. And the first thing I'm gonna do is just kind of brush it back, trying to get all that excess, get all the wrinkles out. Just very gently, very lightly. I'm gonna push it on back, just like so. And you'll finish it out with the putty knife. And that's what'll make it a lot easier for tucking and sorts like that. And I'll show you exactly what I mean in just a second. So like right here, that's where you can tuck it in, just like so. Just like so. Wrap it on in, wrap it on up. Should be plenty of adhesive. It doesn't seem like it's sticking, and you'll have to add another coat, but I added quite a bit there. It shouldn't be a problem. Just like that. There we go. Also, what's nice about the knife is it doesn't want to stick, which is very nice. And you can get in these tight spots like this where your finger cannot reach. Just like so. And I just gently make sure I don't have any bubbles in it. You're gonna make sure you have a clean knife when you're doing this. And voila, we have a finished, well done liner. I'm gonna take it out, that way you guys can see a little bit better here. Adjust this. So as you can see now, there's no sagging, nothing to flop around, nothing to be annoying you when you're driving down with your windows down. And nothing to see in the rear view mirror. Causes for this are, well, heat in general, age of the vehicle. I actually roll with my windows down quite a bit, and that causes it, especially when you're doing about 65 on the highway. So that is the how-to for today. I hope you enjoyed.